By the auto parts store, I picked up a creeper so that whenever I'm working on the car, I don't have to be crawling on the ground anymore. The one I bought is fairly nice. It's got a flat area that you can lay and then an actual seat that you can fold up on it so that you can sit down as well, which is pretty cool. And it's a 300-pound weight limit, so it shouldn't be bending or anything. 6 wheels on it, which is awesome. Can't wait to open it. Me and little dude back there. Nick, are you gonna help with the hitch?
Yeah.
Not Alex. I said Nick.
Man, do.
I know you are.
I don't know what hitches are.
On the back of the car, we're gonna put something so we can tow a trailer. You gonna help?
How do us do that?
I don't think he is. Little dude in the back, Alex, he likes working on the cars, being outside, stuff like that. So he'll be helping with that. We're gonna get this put on, and then maybe we'll even pull the trailer out and see how it tows. Screw it in. Whichever way it goes. How does this work? Alright dude, so today what we're working on now that we're back is that we gotta put this trailer hitch on that car.
What?
So one thing that we need to do
Let's do this.
is get some tools. We need screwdrivers and sockets and a knife.
It's hot.
I know, it is hot, isn't it? Alright, so we got some sockets,
And some
screwdrivers, we got more sockets.
Ow.
We need
Ow. Oh.
a ratchet,
What is that?
and we'll get
Ow,
an extension, and we'll see how this goes.
Ah.
So we're back outside now. Whoop.
Hey, why did I do this outside? I'm gonna do this.
No, nobody's gonna steal that.
How?
Alright, let's go ahead. We need to use the knife. It's a Craftsman knife. Love their stuff, love their products. We need to cut off all that plastic so we can get all the bolts out, right? They taped everything in here. You hate spider webs.
Yeah, there's no spiders in the orange one.
Let's see if we can get this off. There's the bolts.
Box.
I think that's where the instructions are too.
Yeah, that means on in the.
Yeah, you are. Is it hot?
Not that hot.
Alright, lay back. Alright, go
No.
under the car.
No.
No, you gotta work on it.
No.
You gotta work on it. I'm gonna crawl under there too.
No.
Yeah. Alright, hold on a sec. I'll be right there.
Why do you need a dog?
Huh?
Why do you need a dog?
Let me get the camera. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go under here and pop all these little rivets off.
What?
Can you see these? The car's pretty low. Alright, here's your screwdriver. Alright.
Can I do it like that?
Oh, keep on hitting everything with the camera. Alright, so you see this one right here?
Yeah.
Can you get under it in that little hole? Come from this side. Here, can you swing? Come out like this. You see the little hole right here?
Yeah.
Put it in that little hole. There you go, now twist it. Like that. And then we can pull that down. Okay, we gotta take this whole thing off, okay? Alright, you got it? Watch out for the camera. Alright, take.
Get on here.
Hold on a second. We gotta take all these things and put it so we don't lose it.
Oh yeah. Let's do my goal. Don't.
We'll put this
Oh,
up underneath. Alright, so what I had to do was get the exhaust out of that grommet right there. I had to stick a screwdriver in through the bottom of it to get it to pry apart, because we have to get this pulled to the side so we can get the hitch up into those holes.
Hey Dad,
Yep.
what is that blood called? Where teeth comes out, that huge spike? Where you see a huge spike? That, what name is that? You holding on? Hey.
Woo. Got that side sort of up. I wonder if I can get this side in. First.
Oh, you got that? What's that?
Where are you gonna lay at?
This,
You lay under it.
this side.
We're gotta work on this side first. Nope, head first.
Oh, this way. This way.
Yep,
Can you hold this?
yep.
Isn't already fries?
Oh.
Oh, get some hot sauce.
Some ketchup.
No, some
First.
hot-
So,
Batch.
Nicole got an air fryer, and this is her first batch of
They're crunchy.
fries.
Yeah.
They look like Arby's fries, which look really good.
Yeah. They taste good. I tried one, but they're very hot.
So after we get done installing the hitch,
They'll be cool.
we'll go in there and snack on some fries, won't we?
and have some hot sauce. This is in hot. Now what?
You gotta screw it on there.
Which way?
To the right. You see the hole? You put the end in the hole first. Whoop.
Oh.
There you go. Keep at it, little dude. You're installing your first hitch on a car.
You know.
You know.
I think we did two. No.
No, you've only done one hitch. You've been putting all the bolts in, though.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are done with the hitch. That is completed. That job and task is done now. Now we can take our trailer wherever we want, right? Which is really good, because we've always wanted to be pulling it somewhere, and then we can't because we don't have any way to attach it onto the van. So that's done. Alex did a fantastic job doing that. Somebody needs to get that kid his own toolbox. So thanks for watching the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little dude working. He got to play on the creeper a bunch, didn't you? You even got away one time. You started sliding down the driveway, didn't you? So he had to catch himself on that. But it was fun, right? Ready to do some more mechanic work?
Yeah.
No? Yeah, you are. You love working on
Yeah,
cars.
me ready to get some more gas in there.
Well, we're going to let you guys go today. Thanks for watching the video. As always, hit that like button.
And last notifications.
Press the notification button and the subscribe button.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys on the next video.
Bye.